Hey guys, so these patio chair cushions have these stains on them that don't want to come out. So I want to make really quick, no pattern covers for them. Like no fuss, super fast, because I don't want to spend all day on this. So let me show you how I do this. I'm measuring the fabric totally by eye. I'm making a long enough rectangle that just folds right over the pillow. Now I'm just going to fold it in half and make sure that that pillow fits in there, but I know it does. And now I'm going to fold over a hem and pin it down. Same hem on the other side. Now I'm going to go over to my sewing machine and just sew a straight line right across. And then with the right sides together, I'm going to sew open the sides, making sure I backstitch on the ends there, leaving that part open. So here you see I use black thread so you can see it. And it actually does coordinate with my patio chairs. So now I'm going to show you two ways to make the ties that I'm going to use on the opening of the cover. If you don't have a ribbon or anything else that you want to use, here is how you make your ties right out of the same fabric as the cover. You can make these as wide and as long as you'd like. So I am ironing down or pressing about 1/4 of an inch hem on each side. Then I'm folding the whole thing in half and pressing. So you have a really nice clean edge on both sides. Then on the very end, turn it wrong sides out and just sew on the very edge and give it a good clip. Turn it right back around and give it a final press before you sew it together. And you're going to sew right down that open end. I'm just going to clip it with my pinking shears there, and I just cleaned up the edge. Now here's another way to do it. Since I have black on my actual patio chairs, I have this really nice trim that works as ties. So I'm going to pin these down on the wrong side of the case or the cover. Same thing on the other side. I'm only adding 2 ties, so you can add more if you like. And then I'm going to sew down following that same stitching line, so you don't really see it. And now I turned it right side out. I'm going to slip that stained pillow right in there. And this actually came out adorable and so quick and cute. The thing is, I didn't want to spend 2 days on making covers that are going to get dirty again when the landscapers come to mow the lawn. Because I think that's really what happens with these, and the sprinklers. Anyway, look at how cute these came out, and simple, plain. So why don't you also check out these other 2 videos I have here up on the screen of other home decor tutorials. And don't forget to subscribe. Thanks for watching.